Benefits of being green company. There are numerous benefits to being a green company, both for the environment and for the business itself. By implementing sustainable practices, green companies can reduce their negative impact on the planet, conserve natural resources, and contribute to the fight against climate change. This not only benefits the environment, but can also improve the company's reputation and attract environmentally conscious customers, investors, and employees. Green companies can also realize cost savings through energy and water efficiency, waste reduction, and sustainable sourcing, leading to improved profitability and long-term financial stability. In addition, green companies can gain a competitive advantage by differentiating themselves in the marketplace and staying ahead of changing regulations and consumer preferences. Overall, being a green company can contribute to a more sustainable and prosperous future for both the business and the planet. So the benefits are many, and we will discuss some of them below. Positive impact on the environment. This is the most obvious benefit and cannot be overstated. For example, a company can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Adopting more sustainable practices, such as using renewable energy, reducing energy consumption and CO2 emissions, helps reduce climate impacts. Reduce waste generation. Actions taken by a company to reduce the amount of waste it generates can help minimize its environmental impact. Nature conservation. The company can take measures to protect biodiversity in nature, such as reforestation, protecting natural habitats, and promoting sustainable production and consumption. Improving air and water quality. The company can introduce business practices that reduce air and water pollution, such as using greener technologies, controlling the amount of waste generated, and promoting sustainable use of natural resources. Financial savings. Reducing consumption of energy, water, and other natural resources contributes to lower operating costs and greater savings. For example, a company can switch to more energy-efficient appliances and technologies, such as solar panels and smart energy management systems, and thus significantly reduce electricity consumption. Reduce water consumption through efficient technologies such as water recycling facilities, leading to a reduction in water consumption and related costs. Use waste management strategies such as waste segregation, recycling, and waste reduction, which reduces waste generation and associated costs. Financial savings from those operations can help make a company more competitive in the market and increase its profits, which in the long run can lead to an increase in the value of the company. Increased efficiency. These activities contribute to the company's operational efficiency, such as improving efficiency, switching to more energy efficient and more efficient technologies, such as smart energy management systems and manufacturing automation, can significantly improve a company's productivity and operational efficiency. Optimization of production processes. Companies can redesign production processes to reduce the use of energy, water, and other resources, leading to more efficient production and reduced costs. Reducing material losses. Companies can employ strategies that increase the use of raw materials and reduce material losses, leading to reduced costs and increased efficiency. It's worth emphasizing again, sustainable operations can increase competitiveness in the market, improve quality and quantity of production, and increase profits, which in the long run can bring financial and strategic benefits to the company. Improving the company's image and reputation. Another benefit of being a green company is the improvement of the company's image and reputation. Customers are increasingly choosing products and services offered by companies that care about the environment and take active measures to protect nature. This brings obvious benefits. Building a positive image of the company as an organization that cares about the environment and works for sustainable development. Increasing employee engagement. Employees of companies that care about the environment often feel greater job satisfaction and identify more with the company's values and goals. This, in turn, leads to greater engagement and motivation at work, which can contribute to increased productivity and quality of work. Increased customer confidence. A company that takes measures to protect the environment builds customer trust and gains customer loyalty. Customers are more likely to choose products and services offered by companies that care about the environment and society. Regulatory risk avoidance. Companies that adopt more sustainable business practices can avoid regulatory risks and legal problems associated with environmental non-compliance. Access to new markets. This is another benefit of being a green company, is access to new markets. Today, more and more consumers and companies are showing increasing interest in green products and services. Therefore, companies that undertake green initiatives are more likely to attract new customers and enter new markets. For example, many countries are introducing regulations and legislation to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants, forcing companies to adopt greener technologies and business practices. Companies that have already aligned their operations with green requirements can easily enter markets where such regulations are in place. In addition, companies that are greener are also more likely to attract customers who are more environmentally aware and sensitive. Many individuals and companies are showing a growing interest in green products and services, such as recycling, renewable energy, and green products. Finally, taking eco-friendly measures can benefit a company's reputation and image, which attracts customers and instills confidence. A company that actively works to protect the environment gains a reputation as a responsible entity, which can help attract new customers and increase the loyalty of existing ones. Easier access to financing. In recent years, an increasing number of financial institutions, including banks, investment funds, and insurers, have been betting on financing environmentally friendly and sustainable projects. As a result, companies that undertake green initiatives have easier access to capital to expand their operations. Financial institutions may offer more favorable financing terms for companies that take environmental measures, such as lower interest rates or longer loan terms. In addition, investments in sustainable and environmentally friendly projects can yield higher returns and be more financially stable in the long term, which attracts investors. Companies that undertake green initiatives can also take advantage of various financial programs and grants offered by governments and international organizations. These programs and grants are designed to support environmental protection and sustainable development efforts, which can help finance green projects and initiatives. Investments in sustainability and environmental protection can benefit a company's reputation and image, which in turn can attract investors and contribute to easier access to financing. Increasing employee engagement. Finally, it is also worth mentioning the benefit of increasing employee engagement. Supporting environmental and sustainability efforts can inspire employees and increase their sense of belonging to the company. Employees often want to work for companies that are socially responsible and aware of their impact on the environment. A company that undertakes green initiatives can increase the commitment of its employees, who are more likely to get involved in green projects and initiatives. Taking eco-friendly measures can also help increase employee motivation and commitment by creating a more positive work environment. Employees who feel that their work contributes to positive changes in the environment are more motivated and more willing to take on work-related challenges. Finally, taking environmentally friendly actions can increase employee loyalty and reduce employee turnover. Employees who feel that they work for a company that cares about the environment and the community are more likely to stay with the company for the long term and be involved in its development.